Batsman will look to get some valuable runs here. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. They have such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Shot, that's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most batsmen in the world. Spinner brought into the attack. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Short leg in, expects some short stuff from the bowler. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Dead ball signaled by the umpire. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Loose shot, he's thrown his wicket away. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. And yes, he gets his man. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. That's fiery from the bowler. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Oh, that's lovely timing, the ball racing to the boundary. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Finds the fielder, couldn't find that gap. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. He didn't get any timing on that one. Short leg in. Expect some short stuff from the bowler. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Spinner brought back from the other end. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's a six. The power is extraordinary. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. He's not going to miss out on those. Very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Last ball coming up. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.